Today very prime news highlight from SNH from Crompton from Mumbai. Crompton expands its premium kitchen portfolio with Weiner hobs and Elatio BLDC chimneys. Kitchens today are evolving beyond function, they're becoming spaces of comfort, style, and daily connection. Yet, even in modern homes, everyday cooking often brings challenges that disrupt that experience. Recognizing this, Crompton Greaves Consumer Electricals Limited, a brand trusted for innovation and quality, has introduced two new premium solutions under its theme, Smart Inside, Stunning Outside, the Weiner Hobbs series and the Elatio BLDC Chimney series. Together, they combine elegant aesthetics with thoughtful design, helping consumers create their dream kitchens. Providing peace of mind to consumers, these launches reflect Crompton's commitment to addressing the evolving needs of Indian households. This innovation reflects Crompton's focus on creating appliances that are both high-performing and deeply intuitive. Some of the standout features of the Weiner Hobbs series include sealed burner system. One of the most common kitchen issues is liquid seepage into burners, especially during milk or water spills. Weiner's sealed burner design prevents this, ensuring hygiene, avoiding internal damage, and reducing cleaning time, delivering convenience and peace of mind every day. Direct flame burners. Specially designed for Indian cooking styles, the vertical flame ensures faster, more even heat distribution. This not only saves time but also improves energy efficiency, making it ideal for heavy-duty meal preparation. Flame failure device. If a flame goes out accidentally, this built-in safety feature automatically cuts off the gas supply, reducing leakage risks and ensuring a safer cooking environment. Hybrid hobtop design. For homeowners who want a sleek hob without modifying their kitchen slab, Weiner's dual-use format offers flexibility. It functions as both a built-in hob and a countertop appliance, making it ideal for rented homes, remodels, or upgrades without civil work. Equally, the Elatio BLDC Chimney series has been crafted to directly address common frustrations faced in Indian kitchens. Rapid 1900 cubic meters per hour suction, smoke-filled kitchens can make cooking stressful. With its powerful suction capacity, Elatio clears smoke, fumes, and odors in seconds, creating a fresh, breathable atmosphere and making every cooking experience more comfortable. Intelligent auto clean. Remembering to clean chimneys is often inconvenient. Crompton's patented auto clean technology solves this by automatically cleaning the chimney after every 30 hours of usage. This not only saves time and effort but also maintains consistent performance with zero manual intervention. Smart on. Cooking often begins in a hurry, and switching on appliances